Good day to you. This is Kadal Amudam from Chennai, India. This is part 49 of sales training program. Customer survey. Why did you decide to buy from us rather than from someone else? What specific value or benefit do you feel that you get from our product? How could we improve it in the future for you? What kind of customer do you feel could most benefit from our product? Is there anything special that a product or service does that you did not expect when you bought it? 20 idea method. This is one of the most powerful ways to stimulate your creativity, alert you to new opportunities, and accelerate your service or success in your sales career. It is called the 20 idea method. When you begin using this method regularly and applying some of the ideas that you generate, you will increase twofold or more your income in the months ahead. Fast track to success. All you need is an idea that is 10% new to make $1 million. It does not have to be discovery of relativity or a major scientific breakthrough. It only has to be a small improvement on what is currently being done in some field and which gives you a competitive advantage. One small competitive advantage is enough to separate you from everyone else and put you on the fast track to success. Spend time with better customers. The most important rule for selling success is spend more time with better prospects. This rule contains just 6 words, but it summarizes your complete strategy to selling. The more time you spend with better prospects, by the law of probabilities, the more sale you will make and the more successful you will be. Prospecting is not easy. Finding new people to talk to and then approaching them for the first time is one of the most challenging parts of selling. All advertising promotion is designed to speed up this process or to make it easier. Prospecting is also the part of selling that causes the most stress and frustration. This is the end of part 49 of sales training program. I also conduct one-on-one training for those who are interested. I can analyze your mind, find the fault and fine tune it so that you become the best. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can view more videos of this nature on the coming days. Thank you and good day to you.